This is the DJI Mic 2, and it's one of the best mics on the market, and I'm going to tell you why. Firstly, take a look at how beautiful this mic is. I'm a particular fan of this transparency, so you can see the circuits on it. It definitely really helps to define this against the first version they've got. But one of the biggest things they've added to the DJI Mic 2 is the 32-bit float. Now, if you don't know what 32-bit float is, it basically means you cannot peak the audio. Now, when you're recording videos especially, you're always trying to gauge the gain on your audio and work out, if you've got your talent, what level their voice is, and try and pick some middle ground. Not too high, not too low. But with 32-bit float, it really doesn't matter. And that's why we bought this. The good thing about this mic as well is that it comes with this really, really strong magnet, which means you don't actually have to use the clip on it, which is really handy. But if you've got a t-shirt on like me, it's far too close. So you'd put this on the inside of your top and put it round about here. Now, with this, you get the case with it as well. So you don't just get, obviously, the receiver. In the case, you get the second mic plus the mounting system connection to your camera, which then you can do, change all the accessory, change all the settings on it, your gain on it. It's got this button on it to help you get through the menus. This is touchscreen. It's very small, very, very compact, and looks absolutely great on top of the camera. Especially if you're using a gimbal, it's very minimal. And it also comes with other accessories to attach to your phone. It's USB-C there as well. And this case is let me just put this back in, is a charging case as well. And they just slot back in, clip it shut, and as you just saw there, there's some lights on the front of it that tells you how much charge. So the actual mics hold charge, and then you recharge them by putting them in this case. And this case is absolutely lovely. It can take a beating as well. I think that's one of the most important things about anything to do with video work. You need to be able to just trust that that's not going to fall apart. It comes with this lovely case as well, which is really, really good. You get your wind, dead cats, whatever you like to call them, which go on top. These are very nice. These just simply, easily just click straight on. You just put it on top of the, into the headphone mount or the mic mount up top, and it's fixed on. That'll stop any wind noise coming through. It looks like a little troll. But yeah, great, does the job. One of the things we opted for as well was the actual lavalier microphone, which is very, very, very tiny. I can see if the camera focused on it. Yeah, perfect. That's great. The thing on the side of it clips in perfectly, and we've used this on shoots, and yeah, you have a nice little accessory. If you don't want that on show and you want this to minimize the look on camera, it's perfect. The one final accessory we decided to actually buy, and this only recently came out, and it's a bit of a game changer, is this tiny, tiny little connection device. And what this does, this fits onto the hot shoe of your camera. Now, at the moment, as I'm recording this video, that only works with Sony. So this, you take the receiver, let me just get this receiver out, and you slide the receiver on top of that. And then there's a connection here. Let me just grab our FX6, and you slide it into the hot shoe mount on top. Basically what that means is the FX6 doesn't have a 3.5mm jack on it, so you couldn't use the DJI mics on it, but now you can. The only drawback is you can't record to 2 channels at the moment, only 1 channel. So this is great. I mean, it's perfect. It sits on top of any like FX6 camera, obviously an FX3 camera, and you don't need the wire. So yeah, perfect, nice little accessory. I'd highly recommend getting this. So it's a nice little combo edition. Bag keeps everything in place. It's amazing. I'd highly, highly recommend it. So the cost is absolutely brilliant. The cost of this is only £219 for 32-bit float, high quality pro level audio. So what do you think? Got any questions? Leave a comment below. I'll try and answer them. I absolutely love this mic and I know you will too. I'll see you on the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.